Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a slicklocks door lock kit for the Nissan NV. Let's get into it. All right, like I mentioned, this is the door lock kit from Slicklocks for the Nissan NV. This is for the full-size Nissan NV and not the NV200. If you do have the NV200, you're still in luck. There's a kit for that. It's just this one is not the right one. This is for the full-size version of the van. And so we got a quick little cut here in the packaging, and it looks like we have a side sliding door bracket. They all pretty much look similar. We got two puck locks, one for the side sliding door, one for both barn doors in the back, and we have our rear door brackets right here. We have a rear left and a rear right, and usually these things come out, you know, like this. I don't know exactly. They connect in the inside of the barn door, and you'll have one lock that ties them together and keeps them shut. Also in the bag here, we've got our keys, and the nice thing about Slicklocks is they come with 2 keys per puck lock. So in the case of the Nissan NV, you get 2 locks. They're key to like, meaning all these keys are the same, and they open all of the locks. So you essentially get 4 keys for the one van. So you have a lot of spares to work with. If you happen to get a 3 lock kit, you know, if you have dual sliding doors, like the Nissan NV200 or something like that, you'll actually get 6 keys. We have our installation instructions here for the install of the NV kit. Got these nice little stickers here they actually go on the van to protect the paint. So, you know, usually it'll go behind the bracket, in between the bracket and the van, just to keep it from scuffing up the van. Because Slicklocks are all about protecting the vehicle. You don't have to drill holes in the van to install the brackets or use the locks. If you think about traditional puck lock hasps, is you're drilling 4, 6, 8 holes in the side of your van, putting in some carriage bolts, and you're just inviting rust and corrosion and just this ugly bracket on the side of your van. So that's the nice thing about Slicklocks, is it kind of integrates with existing holes and gives you this really stealthy look in the van. We also have 2 bolts here, looks like Allen head bolts, probably for the side door bracket. I'm guessing, I'm not 100% sure on that. But you know, pretty simple kit here. The installation actually takes maybe 5-10 minutes to get it on there, especially when you're dealing with 2 locks like this. So if you are looking for this lock kit or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.